Hi all, so we are going to learn small cursive writing. As I have mentioned in my previous video, how to draw C, A, D, G, Q and O from this stroke. So now I will show you quick review of my previous video. So let's start with letter C. Make a dot and draw a stroke like this. It's small cursive C. Now again make a dot and stroke. Make a nice curve like this. It's small cursive A. Again make a dot, make a stroke and touch to the red line, drag it down like this. It's small cursive D. It's small cursive G. Small cursive Q, and that is small cursive O. Now I will show you next stroke like this. It would be helpful for U, V, W and Y. So let's start with letter U. Make it dot, make it curve like this. It's small cursive U. Again I'll show you small cursive U. Come to the next letter, that is V. Next letter is W. Make it dot, make it curve like this. Again I'll show you. It's small cursive W. Now I'll show you Y, small cursive Y. For this make it dot, make a stroke like this, and again I'll show you, make it curve, drag it down, touch to the red line and close it like this. Again I'll show you, it's small cursive Y. Now come to the another stroke, that is it would be helpful for letter M, N and X and Y. So let's start with letter M. Make a dot, make a stroke like this, move like this, small cursive M. Again I'll show you. Now come to the next letter, that is N. Small cursive N. And another letter is X. So for this, make it like this. Again I'll show you. It's small cursive X. Next letter is Y, Z. Make it dot, make a stroke like this, and a small cursive Z. This is the another stroke. It would be helpful for S letter. So make it draw and make it stroke like this. It's small cursive S. It's two-line letter. Small cursive S. Now this is the another stroke. And it would be helpful for letter L, P, H, K, B, T. Okay, so let's start with letter L. Make it dot and touch to the red line, drag it down like this, small cursive L. Again I'll show you, draw it like this. Again I'll show you, draw it like this. Next letter is B. Start from third line, make a dot, touch the red line, drag it down and curve like this. Again I show you small cursive B. Again I'll show you small cursive B. Now come to the next letter, that is H. Make a dot, touch to the red line, drag it down and make it like this. Draw like this with small cursive H. Next letter is F, small cursive F. It's 4-line letter. Start from third line, touch the red line, drag it down and join like this. Small cursive F, small cursive F. Next letter is T. Start with third line, touch to red line, drag it down and draw a slip-in line like this. It's small cursive T. Again I'll show you T. And next letter is P. For this also start from third line, again I'll show you P. Next letter is K. This also start from third line, touch to the red line, drag it down and draw like this. So it's small cursive K. So we got to know how to draw B, H, F, T, P, K, S, U, V, W and X, Y from this stroke and from this stroke. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.